Hello! Today I'm gonna show you how to install Git, your Windows version control system. Let's get started. So we're gonna go to gitscm.com and click the download for Windows button. The software is gonna download. While that's going, let's check the website. Clicking the About link, we're gonna get a bunch of information about Git, what it is, what does it do, and basically it's free and open source. There's nothing better than free. The documentation section has a interactive HTML book, almost like a reference manual, where you can check everything that there's to know about Git. There's also a book that you can download, either in PDF format, MOVI, or EPUB. You can load it into your Kindle or Nook or any of those ebook readers that handle PDF or EPUB formats. Also, there are videos that teach you the Git basics, what is version control, and all the ins and outs of this software. There are recommendations in books, there are free books, there are conferences, videos. There's all kinds of information ready. So our download is ready. Let's click the file and install it. Let's click next. Read the license if you want, then click next. You can add the icons if you want or not. This, click some options here. I usually leave it in default options and just click next and install. Let's open the Git bash and we're gonna create a folder called repo. Once we create that folder, we're gonna initialize our Git repository found on our desktop. So we're gonna go in the repo folder, then git init, which initializes our repository. As you can see, the git status says that we don't have anything to commit. So let's create a file, touchfile.txt. That creates a file inside the repo directory, and as we see, the git status shows that we have a new file. We're gonna add the new file, git add dot, which adds all the files found in this folder. So, and after that, we're gonna commit this new file. Git commit.m. We can type a message. Initial commit. The first version of this file or repository gets saved. As we can see, there's nothing to commit. Git status. So let's modify the file. Let's write a message hello there to the file through the console. We can see that the file now has changed. Hello there. We do the git status now. It's gonna say that the file has been modified. So let's add it. Git add dot. It's gonna add the new version of the file, and let's commit to our repository this new version. Git commit -m added text to file. This new version of this file gets added to our repository. We can go back, make changes, update, git log. We can see all the changes we have done, who was the author of the changes, the date, and so on and so on. Now let's go on the Git GUI, which is a graphical interface to use this software. With this little window, we can just click away all the options that we can do in the console. So if you like the visual stuff, go with the UI version of Git. If you like the console typing away, use the Git bash. Both give you a lot of control. So in this one, we can see the whole history of our commits. Now let's make a couple changes. If we do rescan, which is git status, basically, we see that there's no changes. So let's open the file. We have the file on one side, make a modification. This is something new. We just modify this file. Let's save it, save, and then check on our repository. When we rescan the file, that txt is gonna show that there's a new line. So we can stage our changes. We stage changed, and then we can commit this new change. So commit, let's write a simple message, added new text, and then commit. So now our repository is keeping track of the new change using the Git GUI. It's that simple. Let's close this. So this is how you use Git on your Windows machine. You have learned how to install Git, how to get information from the website, download books, check the documentation, watch videos, all for free. This is a free and open source software, great for any development and software projects and any other projects that need to keep track of versions. I recommend you to download Git, and see you soon.